Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Valerie. If you are visiting this channel for the very first time, I'd like you to click on the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified each time I put up new content. And to all the beauties who've been watching me from day one, I'd like to say thank you all for your support. It's much appreciated. You keep motivating me to do more and more. So not last week actually, but in the previous videos I was introducing this hair oil that I came up with, a hair oil by Beautify Plus. So today we're going to be doing something really fun and exciting, something I really love to do, use this oil. So I'm going to show you how to do hot oil treatment from the comfort of your home. Yes, I know most of you are used to only getting a hot oil treatment from a salon, but I've got good news for you. You can do it for yourself at home. It's very, very simple to follow through. If you just watch me do it, you will do it any other time when you're at home. So, what do you need to do a hot oil treatment? First of all, you need your oil. Then you need some very hot water. Another alternative is to use your microwave, but if you do not have a microwave, you can just do it the old-fashioned way. You put your pot on the stove and heat up the water until it's boiling. Then you also need a shower cap and your comb and some water to get your hair wet. Okay. So as I'm showing you how to do it, I'll be talking about the benefits of doing a hot oil treatment on your hair. So to begin, you need to do your hot oil treatment on hair that is clean. This is very important so that it is very effective. So as a matter of fact, I washed my hair about 2 days ago. That's why I'm not doing it on very, very clean hair. I washed my hair. So you also need to do it on damp hair. So I'm going to start by spritzing my hair with water to make it damp. So I'm going to part it into 4 sections. I'm making sure that my hair does not have any knots first. I already combed through, but I'm just taking you through everything that I did. Then I have sectioned it in the middle. Then I section it again. Alright. Then I take my water bottle. There's water only in this. I spray on my hair. So I'll do it to all the 4 sections, from the roots to the very ends of my hair. Then I'm also doing it to the back sections. Back section. Okay, so I've done this to all my hair. I'm just checking if all my hair is done. If I missed any strands or what, since I'm not using a mirror right now. Yes. So to do a hot oil treatment, you need plant-based oils. Examples are almond oil, olive oil, coconut oil. So fortunately for those who got Beautify Plus hair oil, it's a blend of those plant oils. It's a blend of plant oils actually. So all you have to do is to measure 2 tablespoons or enough to cover all of your hair. As for me, well, I might use a little bit over 2 tablespoons. As you can see, I've got so much hair. Alright, so now I'm going to take this oil and put in the amount that I need in this glass. Okay. So I put in my oil. As you just next to me is a pot of very hot water. I just took off the stove. Now I'm putting in there to heat up my oil. So I'm going to leave it there for a few minutes, and as we're waiting for it to warm up, I'm going to be telling you the benefits of hot oil treatment. So if you're one of those people who suffer from chronically dry hair, brittle hair, hair with split ends, etc., and as well as a dry scalp, itchy scalp, dandruff, a hot oil treatment might be the thing that will help you. Because how the hot oil works, it works by covering the hair cuticle, which then helps the hair retain moisture each time that you moisturize. And it also helps the scalp. It helps with the circulation of blood in your scalp, which promotes healthy hair growth. So I'm going to tell you some of the benefits of a hot oil treatment. The first benefit is it increases the strength of your hair. I know everyone wants strong hair, so this is something you definitely want. So if you're one of those people who feels like their hair is not strong enough, a hot oil treatment is for you. And also it reduces the dryness of both your hair and your scalp. So if you've got a scalp that's very dry, or you've got hair that's very dry, hot oil treatment is for you. Then it also helps with dandruff. I have already mentioned this one. If you have tried everything you can to reduce the dandruff in your hair and the like, and it's not working, then maybe it's time you try to do a hot oil treatment. Then another thing, if you've got frizzy hair, like each time you do anything, let's say you do a roller set but your hair still looks frizzy, or just a few days after you've washed your hair it just looks frizzy, maybe it's time you try a hot oil treatment to help reduce that. Okay, so we are going to be just checking the temperature of our oil to make sure that it's not too hot, because if it's too hot it might also burn us, you know. So another thing that it does, if you've got it minimizes the chances of having split ends. As you all know, split ends are a problem. Once you have split ends, the hair keeps on splitting along the strand of the hair, and you don't want that. But hot oil treatment actually helps reduce split ends in your hair. And of course, it when you are putting the oil treatment into your hair, the massaging that you do, it increases the circulation of blood in your scalp. So now our oil is now hot enough. So now I'm going to be showing you how we're going to be applying it. Yes. So I don't happen to have an applicator bottle, so I'm going to use my hands because it's quite hot. Let me just get this. So I'm just going to be using my hands. I'll do it in sections again so that I do not miss anything. So you make sure all the strands of your hair are covered in the oil. Every little strand. And don't forget your scalp as well. As I said before, it helps with dandruff, and when you're massaging the scalp, you're stimulating the blood vessels, which helps the hair to grow. So just massage through your hair, massage the oil through your hair. So I'm done with this one. I'm just going to plate it so that it doesn't get in the way of the other ones. So you might need to wear a towel when you're doing this, because it can get messy, especially if you're not using an applicator bottle like I'm doing right here. Okay, then I move to the next section and I do exactly the same. Forget my scalp too. strand is covered, even the ends, especially the ends, because the ends are the oldest part of your hair, so they need more care more than anything. And also remember the edges. I know you also need to remember your edges. These two need all the care. Whatever you apply to your hair, make sure your edges are also getting it, so that they grow. So I'm done with this one. Now I'm left with the back section. So you see, just as I said, it's a very simple thing to do. You can do it yourself. You don't need to go to a hairstylist to do this. You can do it from the comfort of your home. Just massage it through. Yes. So now I have applied to all the hair in my head, but I still have a little bit of oil left. So I'm just going to put it all over my hair so that I do not waste anything. What you have to do is you take a shower cap. Yep, a shower cap, that one that you use to go and shower. You take the shower cap and you put it on your head for 20-30 minutes. After you're done with the 20-30 minutes, you go and you rinse out the oil. Then you follow with the conditioner, like you normally do when you wash your hair. Okay, so this is my hair done. I have my shower cap with me right here. So I'm just going to tuck my hair under the shower cap. So this is how you do a hot oil treatment from the comfort of your home. It's very easy. These are very easy to follow steps. One, you put your oil in a container, then you heat it up either using hot water that you've boiled on the stove or just putting it in the microwave for a few seconds, and make sure that it's not too hot such that it will burn you, but make sure it's also warmed up. Then you just, the next step will be to apply it to all your strands of your hair, but your hair has to be damp. So if you have not just washed your hair, use a spritz bottle to make your hair damp. Then afterwards you apply the oil to the strands from the root to the very ends, and taking care to also apply to the edges and to the nape area. And when you are done, you just put on your shower cap and you wait for 20-30 minutes. After those 20-30 minutes, you take off your cap and you rinse out the oil and you follow with the conditioner, just as you do on your wash day. And watch your hair, how it will be in the weeks to follow. But to see more results, you have to do this consistently. Maybe you can do it once every month, And as time goes, you're going to see that your hair is going to be looking different. It's going to feel different. It's going to be softer. It's going to be well moisturized. It won't be dry and brittle and breaking, and it will also be strong. So I'm not going to go ahead and show you me washing my hair in the bath, but I'll post pictures of what my hair looked like after I had washed my hair, and after the whole process. I'll just post pictures to show you how it came out. So remember to follow me on my Instagram account so that you can see the pictures of what we did today, to see how it came out after I had washed my hair. And so you can follow me on Instagram, Beautify Plus at Instagram. On Facebook, you can follow my page, Beautify Plus, and also on Twitter. And again, guys, don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you had not yet subscribed to my channel. And please click on the like too. Yes, I love to see those likes. And also leave comments below telling me what you think about what you just did today. And also if you have any questions or there's something else that you'd like to hear from me that I do to my hair, you can just leave it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. So thank you so much. Subscribe, like, comment, and see you next time. Bye, beauties.